Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect X account with Binance full guide. Open Binance, sign in, go to Security, enable two-factor authentication, and verify your email and phone. Next, access API management, create a new API key, label it clearly, and store the secret securely. Finally, visit your X account settings, find integrations or apps, paste the API key and secret, and grant only the permissions you need. Generate API keys on Binance by opening API Management and selecting Create API. Use a descriptive label so you remember what it connects to, and immediately copy the secret because Binance shows it only once. Set an IP whitelist for extra security if you have a fixed IP, otherwise leave it flexible for mobile access. Save both key and secret in a secure password manager and never share them in chat or email. Head to your X account integration area, choose to add an external service, and select Binance from the list or use the API option. When prompted, paste the API key and secret you created and confirm only the permissions you need, such as read-only market data or trading ability if necessary. After linking, perform a small test trade or data fetch to confirm the connection works and revoke or rotate keys if anything looks off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.